Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to uncap Roblox FPS using client settings game file. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type Roblox player. Right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Right click on the Roblox player and select open file location again. In here you need to right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. And now you just need to check my video description for this folder name client settings. Now you just need to rename this folder name guys. Just paste it, and after pasting it open the folder and click on the view tab and select show, and you just need to make sure file name extension is ticked over here. Select view and select show, and you need to make sure it is ticked guys. After that you just need to right click on the blank area and select new and select test document. And now you just need to check my video description for this code, copy it. Now right click on the text document and select rename. Now paste this code and click on S. And after doing this, now you need to right click on the ClientAppSettings.json and select open with and select notepad and select always. And now you just need to check my video description for this code used in my video. Copy this code and paste over here. Don't forget to copy this bracket guys. After pasting it, select file and select save. And after doing this, close it off here. Now your FPS is uncapped guys. Every Wednesday you need to do it again because Roblox refreshes your folder with a new version. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.